Welcome to Stonecrest, D.R. Horton's brand new community located right outside of Charlestown, West Virginia. My name is Nick DeGennaro, and I'm excited to share with you today our 3 brand new floor plans that we have here to offer, as well as our incredible features. Let's take a tour. This premier single-family home community is nestled just outside of the vibrant town of Charlestown, West Virginia. At Stonecrest, we offer a range of spacious homes designed for the modern family. Choose from 4 to 5 bedroom floor plans, each thoughtfully crafted to combine contemporary design with warm, welcoming features. The open concept layouts allow seamless flow from the kitchen to the living and dining areas, perfect for family gatherings, hosting friends, or relaxing after a busy day. Each kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring shaker-style cabinetry, sleek quartz countertops, and a state-of-the-art stainless steel appliances. Plus, with the smart home technology package, you can control your home's lighting, temperature, and security with just a few taps on your smart device. Beyond the homes themselves, Stonecrest offers a tight-knit community with amenities designed for convenience and relaxation. Whether you're looking to connect with neighbors or enjoy some quiet time outdoors, this community has something for everyone. The location also offers incredible opportunities for recreation and adventure, from hiking in Harper's Ferry to exploring Virginia's wine country and enjoying local breweries. Stonecrest's prime location is truly one of its biggest draws. Stonecrest offers the perfect balance of tranquil suburban living and easy access to Virginia, Maryland, and the District of Columbia. Whether you're commuting for work or exploring everything this beautiful region has to offer, Stonecrest puts you at the heart of it all. While you enjoy the peaceful, away from it all Charlestown, you'll also be just a short drive from major cities, shopping, dining, historical sites, and outdoor activities. With some of the most scenic views in West Virginia, you'll find endless opportunities to enjoy nature right in your own backyard. We look forward to having you call Stonecrest your home. Contact us today to schedule your private tour.